this. It says, which will solve the product of 128 times 6? Nope, not yet. Hold on. No, we're good. So which ones do we automatically know that we can take off?
A.
A, Y, A. Hold on. Right, so the one digit that's going to be multiplied at each one of them is 6. Okay, what's another one we can eliminate? B. D, because D is doing what? Addition, and we're doing multiplication. I need to turn on my thing. Alright, so we can do D and A. So now that leaves us B and C. So if I wanted to rewrite it out so I can kind of see it a little better, I could do my parentheses. $100 times 2, 20 times 6, 8 times 6, and then the second one, just to kind of, so we can see it. 100 times 6, 20 times 6, and 8 times 6. Alright, so which one is using the distributive property, or we're breaking it apart to distribute the smallest number in? So which one has the 6 that is in each one of the parentheses? C. Give me 100 times 6, 20 times 6, 8 times 6, then you add them together to get your answer. Good job. Let's go to the next one. Alright, here we go. You're working this one out on your paper. It says Yolanda has 6 notebooks. There are 140 pages in each notebook. How many pages does Yolanda have in all? You need a piece of paper out so you can work this problem out. Don't say the answer until I say so, please. No, you don't have to. You're just working problems out. Alex, don't talk. Other people got to work it out. You just sit there quietly, please. Quietly while others finish. Nope. divide notebook, each meaning 1. How many pages does Yolanda have in all? So she has 6 notebooks. Each one of them has 140 pages in it. We need to multiply. 0 times 6 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Put down my 4, regroup my 2. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 840. All right, looking at the next one, it says Mabel packed 12 cases of batteries. There are 15 batteries in each case. How many batteries did Mabel pack? Okay. Stop raising your hand. This top right here, here's my marker. I'm multiplying the two different digits. I have to multiply each.
Wait, why is Camille's break by a picture of Kamani?
Alex, you will be kicked off the call if you cannot focus. That is not important at this moment.
This, and then I have to multiply this because I cannot
6 plus 2? 6 times 2. 6 plus 2. And 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. Alright, let's look at this problem. Mabel packed 12 cases of batteries. There were 15 batteries in one case. For each case, multiply, divide. Just said because we're either going to, when it says each, we're either going to multiply or divide to get our answer. It says, how many batteries did Mabel pack? So we have 12 cases. We have 15 batteries in each case. We're going to multiply. Alright, when we multiply, we make our little turtle head. We say 5 times 2 is 10. Put down my 0, regroup my 1. 5 times 1 is, plus 1 is 6. Then I say, alright, I'm done with my turtle, but I need to give my turtle a collar. So I give them a 0, and I cross it out and bring it down. I say 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Then I need to add. 0 plus 0 is 6 plus 2 is 1 plus 0 is 1. The answer is D, 180. Alright, Jack buys 5 boxes of potatoes at the market. There are 30 potatoes in each box. How many potatoes does Jack buy? That is a lot of potatoes, yes. Now remember, my 0 is the property of multiplication on this. Jack buys 5 boxes of potatoes at the market. There are 30 potatoes in 1 box. Divide and multiply. How many potatoes does Jack buy? You alright?
What?
Okay, get quiet please. We can hear all that. Alright, so we do 30 potatoes in 1 box. He buys 5 boxes. I'm going to multiply. Now I can do 2 different things. I can use my zeros property and say, take off this 0, bring it down. 3 times 5 is 15. That gives me 150 potatoes. Or I could have said 30 times 5. 0 times 5 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. Either way, you get 150. All right, let's look at number 5. There's 20, but we may not get through them all. It says an elementary school collected drinks for a festival. There were 48 drinks placed in each cooler. Hold on, don't go yet. There were 12 coolers. What is the total number of drinks the school collected? Alright, let's look at this problem. An elementary school collected drinks for a festival. There were 48 drinks placed in each cooler. One cooler. Multiply, divide, whatever my division symbol is going to look like today. There were 12 total coolers. So which is the total number of drinks the school collected? So we want the total amount of drinks. So we'll say it's asking number of drinks in all. And we know that one cooler holds how many drinks? 48. And we have 12 coolers. So what do we need to do? Multiply 48 times 12. Alright, so 8 times 2 is, oh, let me draw my turtle. I could use the box method. Let's do that too. Alright. You can do lattice too. Ready for this? We're going to do lattice. Lattice. I say 48 and 12. I say 4 times 1 is 4. Put my 0 here, my 4 here. 8 times 1 is 8, 0, and 8. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 8 times 2 is 16. This is called lattice. You multiply each digit by each digit, and you put the number, so the ones digit is going to be in this place, and the tens digit is going to be in this place. I mean, tens in this one and hundreds. Well, we're not there yet. So then you just add laterally. So you're going to take your 6. I say 6 plus 0 is 6. You're going to say 8 plus 1 plus 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So I'm going to put down my 7, and I'm going to regroup my 1 up here to this lateral. So 4 plus 1 is 5. It's easy. Wow. 8 times 2 is 16. Regroup my 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Done with this 2. I change it to a 0 and I bring it down. 1 times 8 is 8. 4 times 8 is 4. Then I add them. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. Regroup my 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Well, we did come up with it. I was writing quick, because y'all already knew the answer. Alright, looking at, oh, here we go. Says, an area model is shown here. Which multiplication expression matches the area model? So draw out your area model. Or, you don't suck at it. You got that. Or what you could do is get the answer to this, and the answer to all 4 of these, all 4 of the choices, and see which one matches. Or you can set up each one of these in an area model and figure out which one matches. Or you can just look at it and say, all right, 27 is breaking it up into 20 plus 7. This is 30 plus 9. And then look over here and see if it matches. If you were to write it above and across. I'm going to redraw it over here so we can see it a little better. Told you they'd be on there. 30 times 20, 9 times 20, 30 times 7, 9 times 7. told you there would be a problem like this. No one believes me ever.
I already answered.
Should now.
I didn't have to work it out until I looked at it.
Huh?
I didn't have to work it out. All I had to do was look at it.
Yeah, all you should really have to do is look at it, yeah. Because if you think about it, the number that is repeated, I'm not going to give it away yet. But you shouldn't have to work the problem out. You should just be able to know by looking at it. No. Do it in a little bit. We're reviewing because we're going to have a math test tomorrow. up top, that is what I'm breaking apart. Or the numbers to the side. Now remember, all you gotta do is look for the common numbers. So, what's my common numbers on these two boxes? What's my, on these two?
20.
On this one and this one, 20. So my 20 is gonna go here. What's my common number on these two boxes? 30. So my 30 is gonna go here. What's my common number on this box? 9. What's my common number on this box? 7. Because remember, we're multiplying across and multiplying down. So we have 30 plus 9 and 20 plus 7. So now I'm going to change 30 plus 9 to what? What's 30 plus 9? 39 times 20 plus 7 is what? 27. So my problem is 39 times 27 or 27 times 39. Hold on. Yes, A. Very good. All right, we are going, those on the computer, we've got to go take a computer test in the computer lab. We will, you guys can go get on Prodigy till lunchtime at 10:50. And then we will see you guys later, okay?